Here we have a hose clamp for a 2001 Toyota Echo. In order to put it back on the vehicle, you have to line those two holes back up. It ends up being a pretty difficult procedure. Here's a completed one, and you can see how easily this will fit on the new hose, and you can install it back on the vehicle pretty easily, versus this one, even with it all the way out open, it ends up limiting it with this little tab. So you pretty much have to get it back in there in order to put it back on the vehicle. I tried doing it with just the channel locks, not the extra set of pliers, and I ended up having the hose clamp flying all over the place. And there we go.